Hey, welcome back to the cabin. It's time to change the composting toilet because I've got some family coming over from the home country soon. So I decided to change the composting toilet, get it ready so that when they come over, I've got a fresh toilet to use. So it's pretty easy to do. All you do is just take the top off, dump all the solids in it, and then you put this stuff here. It's called coconut coir. If it's just me or another person up here, I would just put one of these in because it expands like, well, 8 times its size. But because there's going to be about like 5 of us up here, I'm going to put 1.5 of these things in. So you just cut it up, mix it with water, break it down, and then throw it into the base of the toilet, and that's it really. So let's just crack on and get this thing done. I don't know if my camera's working or not, but let's do it. Right, I'll show you what it looks like inside. So that's what it looks like inside the composting toilet. That's it there. So that goes in the bag, and then that goes into my composting bin. On my previous video where I showed you where it goes, I'll dump that in there. So we'll just get the bag. Look at that, I've got a hole in it. I think there's some mice been living in the storage shed. Right, that's it, folks. That's all she wrote. Been feeling really shit the last few days. At first, I initially thought I had COVID. So I did a test the last couple of days, and I've come back negative. But I normally give it a really good clean when I get it out. And this thing here is like an air filter. It has a small fan in there, and then when you put it back in the house, it's got like a 12-volt fan in there, so it sucks all the smells right out of the house, so you don't actually smell anything, which is pretty cool. Okay, give you a show here. That's what it looks like. Nice and clean now. Now I've got to break up the coconut core. Just going to spray the inside a bit more. I think it probably needs a bit more spray in there. Just dose it again. Okay, I'll just leave it for a sec. Right, so that's my composting toilet. So as I said in one of my previous videos, it just literally separates the solid from the liquid. So your urine would go in here, in this bucket in the front, and then your solids would go in the base, mixed in with the coconut core that I just showed you before. And that's it, really. It's dead easy to change. It's not something I always want to do, but yeah, that's just the reality of living off-grid. If you don't have a septic tank or you don't have an outhouse, which I did have, but I got rid of it, as I said before, because no one wanted to go out in the middle of the night because of all the creatures out here. So I bought this composting toilet instead, and you know, it works fine. It's great. Okay, that's my composting toilet. Cheers for watching. If you have any queries or questions, then just contact me. Okay, take care. Okay, bye.